Lindale High School's Career and Technology Department works hard to provide students with the skills needed to succeed in an evolving marketplace. With cutting-edge technology and staff members dedicated to the success of students, LHS is moving forward to prepare the future citizens of tomorrow. Engineering and architectural design allows students to use problem-solving skills to create solutions for various civil, mechanical, and architectural projects. The students use current engineering and architectural software programs such as AutoCAD, Inventor 3D, and Chief Architect. Students also use equipment such as a 3D printer and wide format printing to model and display their work. The goals of this program include preparing students for post-secondary education in these fields through admission to a technical school, junior colleges, or four-year universities. The health science and CNA classes prepare students for careers in the medical industry. Students participate in project-based learning using iPads, media presentations, field trips, and job shadowing. Students use authentic hospital equipment coupled with hands-on learning to prepare for a future in the health science industry. Students participate in the day-to-day tasks that occur with the residents in long-term care facilities. This gives them confidence and exposure to truly care for another person outside of themselves. The students will graduate with their CNA certificate. The Pharmacy Technician program allows students to work directly under a certified pharmacy technician instructor. Students use basic pharmacy tools including counting trays, chemistry equipment, and a horizontal laminar flow hood to prepare medications. Students are offered the opportunity for 4 separate certifications which allow them to transition immediately into the workforce. Yearbook and newspaper are both career courses that allow students hands-on skills related to the technologies within the field of journalism. Staff members of each program use DSLR cameras, iMac computers, Adobe Photoshop and InDesign, GoPros, and Sony prosumer cameras to produce magazines, an online news site, and a 216-page full-color yearbook. Students work with the audio-visual class to produce news broadcasts and film events. Students also work closely with the LISD print shop to learn how to use the equipment needed in the print production field. Careers in audio and video technology and film production span all aspects of the communications industry. Students in the AV Technology course develop an understanding of the industry with a focus on the production of audio and visual media. Students use Canon prosumer cameras, green screens, video lighting kits, Adobe Premiere Pro, and a production TriCaster to create video productions. Students also work in conjunction with the Eagle Eye newspaper class to create broadcast news programs. The computer science, programming, and digital interactive media courses are designed to introduce students to the computing careers they can choose to pursue after high school. From video game design to software development and website administration, students develop the highly marketable coding and design skills needed in today's workplace. Students are exposed to a variety of software programs including Adobe Flash and Dreamweaver, as well as coding languages such as HTML, CSS, and Java. Students in the graphic design and illustration courses receive the skills needed to pursue careers in the advertising and visual communications industries. Students apply design principles and typography to projects in a hands-on class designed to challenge their critical thinking skills. Students use Apple iMacs, the Adobe CS Suite including Photoshop, DSLR cameras, and green screens to design and produce print-ready projects. Students take the Adobe Certified Associate exam at the end of the year to become certified in visual communications. In business information management, students apply technical skills to address the business applications of emerging technologies, specifically the Microsoft Office Suite. They learn these skills through online tutorials using SAM, Skills Assessment Manager, where they complete trainings, exams, and projects. Starting next school year, BIM students will be able to take certification exams in Microsoft Office. These certifications give students a great advantage when looking for a job. The Culinary Arts program is being built into a 4-year plan that will prepare students for a career in the food industry. Through the program, the students can receive industry certification. They will also have the opportunity to complete an internship with local restaurants. The goal of this program is to provide students with successful internships as well as acceptance to a culinary school. The law enforcement courses cover the role of constitutional law, the United States legal system, criminal law, law enforcement terminology, and the classification and elements of crime. This program prepares students to make informed decisions regarding career paths within the criminal justice system. In construction technology, students gain knowledge and skills specific to those needed to enter the workforce as carpenters or to prepare for a post-secondary degree in construction management, architecture, or engineering. Students acquire knowledge and skills in safety, tool usage, building materials, codes, and framing. Students are currently using a universal laser engraver and a Scorpion CNC router. Students receive these skills that help them with home ownership and repairs. Students in agricultural classes participate in hands-on activities and lessons throughout the year that develop industry and career level skills that are needed in modern agricultural fields. Students interested in floriculture build arrangements, focus on the diversified aspects of the floral design, and gain an understanding of the working floral industry. From knowledge and experience using the plasma cutting table, utilizing the AutoCAD program, or fabricating custom metalwork projects in agriculture mechanics, to learning animal husbandry skills such as castrating, proper implementation of nutritional programs, and vaccination administration skills in animal science, students have the opportunity to dive into the hands-on application that is treasured at Lindale High School. In our Principles of Education classes, students are introduced to various careers in education. Through project-based learning and field excursions to Velma Penny Elementary, students gain the knowledge and skills essential to becoming a teacher. Students make extensive use of technology from iPads to Weebly sites. Students use technology to create lessons and supplement their learning. Most importantly, this class provides students with real-world teaching experiences. In the Entrepreneurship and Money Matters courses, students study the various elements of the business and financial industries. In addition, students in the Money Matters course learn the basics of how to manage money as well as how to handle the business of finance in their lives. In the Professional Communication and Business English courses, students learn the communication and business environment skills needed to prepare for a rapidly evolving workplace. Both courses use the Career Cruising web program for career planning. Students use Chromebooks, iPads, smartphones, and Google apps to supplement learning and to build technological skills. The goals for these programs are to assist students in building the skills needed to become successful in their future careers.